Hi everyone, and welcome to Mixed Media Made Easy subscription kit for May. And today we are going to be making this pretty collage frame. And your kit has all kinds of really fun goodies to work on this collage. We got some tulle ribbon, it looks kind of like a little ballerina, and some really beautiful paper flowers, some embossed frame and things like that. So let's get started. And the first thing we're going to do is when you get your frame, you actually get a little bonus in it this month. This is a Heidi Swapp frame. It's really pretty. It's plastic, but it looks pretty substantial. It comes with this white embossed mat and also a little saying that says "Be Happy." So we're not going to use that on our actual project, but I can show you what I did with it. So first we're going to take that out. This frame is really great. It has these turn backs, so it pops right out. Okay, you can also, I should note with this frame, if you wanted to make your design work horizontally, you could also make some adjustments to it. You could hang it, so you can hang it horizontally or vertically. So we're going to be doing ours vertically tonight. So taking the back off. There we go, and have these two pieces. I'm gonna move this out of the way here and show you what I did. Here we go. I took some Distress Oxide ink pads, just because I thought this would be really fun. I could put some magnets on the back, hang it on my fridge, you know, or I could, you know, put it in a frame when I pop out my collage. So just extra fun thing to do. I'm going to show you how to do this technique really quickly. It's so fun and so easy. There we go. So I've got my tool here, and the first thing I did was take a little bit of the green and I just kind of go here and here with that. That'll do it for the green. Now we're going to do the blue, and I should say the blue is the peeled paint, the green is the peeled paint, and the blue is broken china. Okay, and I'm just going to overlap so that the embossing is coming out. That's clear embossing, so any ink that you're going to put over it is just going to pop those words. And what's great about the Distress Oxide ink is it just allows you to keep blending it. It doesn't dry right away. There we go, just like that. And then I'm going to take the mat. I'm going to use the broken china with that, and with that I just cover the whole thing. You just want to concentrate on one area at a time, blend that with the next, and just move around the frame. Really simple. And look at these adorable polka dots that pop up. So fun for spring. Okay, so that's what you can do with your little bonus mat that you get this month. Okay, and come back and we'll move on to step 2 and get right to the project.